What's up everyone? Welcome to LahvUs. And welcome to Fat Bomb Friday. That's something we're going to be starting every week from now on. For this we have chocolate protein powder by Onnit. If you don't have this, you can go with unsweetened cocoa powder instead. If you're using unsweetened cocoa powder, you might want to add a little bit of sweetener. Now I will show you guys how to make it. So first thing we're going to do is melt some of these ingredients together, starting with this grass-fed butter, 4 tablespoons, 8 tablespoons or a half cup of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. We just put this in the microwave for 45 seconds, mix it all together until the peanut butter is mixed in with the butter. 4 tablespoons of Onnit Powerfood Active. What we have here is an 8x6 pan, and we are just going to pour our chocolatey mixture. A 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of pecans. Spread these nuts evenly throughout our fat bombs. Woo! It's been about 25-30 minutes.
Yes.
And our fat bombs are complete on the bottom. That's a really nice texture.
It's beautiful. Are you want to dig in?
Yes. Mmm. Isn't that just as good as it gets?
Guys, this is coming from the bottom of my heart. When I first tried this, I had just started my ketogenic diet and I thought this was so good. It literally gave me hope for all keto treats. Like, it's so delicious. Like Alex said, you can use any cocoa powder that you want, but I think this particular brand and the hemp cocoa powder, I think it's so good. So worth it for good quality, because this is such a good chocolatey, nutty treat. It's frozen, so it's gonna be stored for however long you'd like.
Usually when I make this, I make a gigantic batch where, I mean, literally the entire pan is like 14,000 calories. Because it's so good and it'll last forever in the freezer. You can't beat it. It has so many nutrients that are good for you that as soon as you eat it, you're just like, oh my god. Like, even people who aren't ketogenic, they immediately, like, they feel like, oh, I should be eating this.
Did.
Try it out.
Feels good in my body.
Definitely try it out. Let me know what you think of Alex's 5-minute freezer fat bomb Friday recipe. That's a good use of alliteration. Show that to your English teacher. So try it. Let me know what you think, and subscribe, like the video, comment, tell us how pretty Becca is, and follow us on Instagram. That's it.
Yay!
Have a good day.